Hey folks, I'm Danny from Estuary, and today I'm going to show you how to build a real-time CDC pipeline from MongoDB using Estuary Flow. Let's go. Alright, let's start by provisioning our MongoDB database. In MongoDB Atlas, you can use the free tier to follow along with this tutorial. After a few seconds, your cluster will be provisioned, and the next step will be to set up Estuary Flow's network access to your cluster. Simply add Estuary Flow's public IP address and wait a few seconds again until your changes are applied to your deployment. Once it's done, the last step we'll do for now in MongoDB is to copy the database connection string. Next, head over to the Estuary Flow dashboard and let's create a real-time CDC pipeline. Start by creating a new capture and choose MongoDB from the list. After, name your capture and add the connection details that you copied from the previous step, including your MongoDB username and password. By pressing the next button, Estuary will discover all available database objects ready for replication. On this configuration screen, you can select which objects you want to replicate and also configure some schema evolution properties. If everything seems correct, press the Save and Publish button, and after just a few seconds, your capture will start capturing data from MongoDB. If you head over to the Collections page, you can immediately see that the initial backfill process that Estuary Flow executed filled out all of the collections that you enabled for replication. Let's take a look at the Movies collection in a little bit more detail. As you can see, Estuary Flow offers a data preview window, so you can take a look at how your documents look like. You can also see some statistics about the throughput of the data pipeline. Let's go back to MongoDB and insert a new record to see the whole pipeline in action. Head over to your collections and look for the Movies one. Simply press the Insert Document button and enter a valid JSON document. Here we are going to insert data about a movie called Dataflow. After pressing Insert, head back over to the Estuary Flow dashboard to see how our collection is updated. If you scroll down to the bottom of the data preview, you will see the latest record that was inserted, which, in our case, is the JSON object for our Dataflow movie. And that's it. If you're interested, go check out Estuary Flow or join our community Slack and ask any questions you may have.